Hi everyone, I am Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. In today's video, I'll be talking about a new subscription box called as the PINQ Box. Now this is a different type of a box because it covers the hygiene needs for women who are always on the go. The box aims to give access to high-end imported cotton feel sanitary napkins and panty liners. The box also wants to give back to the society, so they engage the underprivileged women and they give them an opportunity to curate the box and also support their families. Now before we get in the video, if you are new to my channel, then I would request you all to please hit the red color subscribe button, click on bell notification, select options and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Now I'll just give you a brief about how it works. You have to go to the website, the details of which are mentioned in the description tab below. Select the frequency of the date and the box which you would like, and then it is delivered to you on that particular date at your doorstep. There are 4 types of boxes. The first one is those days box, which is a periods box. Then there is everyday box, the bulk me box and the buffet box. The starting price is rupees 349. I selected the buffet box, which is priced at rupees 1499. This one also has a bit of skincare, so basically it's a pampering box. Then you can select pads or panty liners. I selected the heavy flow one. There is also a diagram which helps you all to select the pad according to yourself. Then I selected the date and now I have received my box. So let's see the contents. So the box is very sturdy and it had come nicely bubble wrapped in multiple layers of bubble wrap, and as you can see there is a pattern here which is going on. It has a closure like this. It's a very big box and I'm sure definitely you can store anything and you can reuse this box. Now once I open this box here, you can see all the products. Let's go through the box and see all the products one by one. So first and foremost, all the panty liners and the sanitary napkins will be individually packed like this, and again the design is similar what was there on the box. So this is something really nice. You can directly carry this and you can also use it to dispose the sanitary napkin. I really like the thought behind using these separate papers. So this is how the normal sanitary napkin looks like. The feel itself is very different. It feels very nice. The cotton also is of good quality, and I'll just quickly show you how it looks. So basically once I open this, you just have to tear it, and there is the pad inside. It looks pretty good and it's got 2 closures. So here you can stick this one also, and towards the end also you can stick. The material looks really good. It's very soft and I'm sure this will not give any rashes. So this is the regular pad which they have. Then next I have got the XXL variant of the pads. Now these are something which I requested them to send it to me. You will either get these or those in your box, or you can select panty liners. But I wanted this to just show you to you all that how it differs and what is the size. So it's a better idea for you all to select when you select the PINQ box. So this is how the packaging of the XL one looks, XXL one looks like, and as you can see that from its appearance only it looks pretty long. So it's an extremely big pad, and I'll have to open this. So I finally found where to open this from, and it comes in this plastic like closure, and this is how the XXL pad looks like. It's a very big. Again, the feel is very soft. The material which they have used, and as they claim that it is a cotton feel, imported cotton feel sanitary napkin, so definitely yes, it is very soft and I'm sure this will not give rashes. I will be utilizing them. So now let's quickly see the panty liners. So the panty liners have come again packed in these pouches, and one of them holds about 5 individual panty liners. These are packed separately, so you can just take this one pack and you can go on the go, and if you want you can change it whenever required. And the best part is they are all again individually packed, so it's easy to utilize them. And I'll just open again one for you all so that you have a better understanding of how it is and how it looks. So this is how it looks, soft again, and will work definitely well for us. So now moving towards the skincare part, as this one is the Buffett box. The first product is from this is Sweet Princess. It's a made in Korea product, moisturizing and soothing fruity facial mask, and the price here they have mentioned is rupees 200. And the instructions to use this sheet mask is being mentioned in English, so it's easier for us. Then the next product is from Sultry, and this is their shower gel. It's Indian rose and cooling vetiver, and this is a 30 ml product, and this one was manufactured in November 2016 and it's best before 30 months from the date of manufacturing. Only thing I feel right now is that it does look like an old stock to me right now. I really wished it would have been a manufactured product of 2017 so that it would, like, last longer. But anyways, I do still have a lot of time, so I will try and use it before that. And the other product is again from Sultry. This is their cleansing lotion. It is aloe and rose water with skin toning licorice, again a 30 ml product, manufactured in 06/2016 and best before 30 months from the date of manufacturing. And the fourth skincare product is again from Sultry, and this is their Apricot Moisturizer with honey and Kokum butter, 30 ml, and manufactured in December 2016, and it is best before 30 months from the date of manufacturing. Along with all this, I have also received a lip balm from Sear Secrets, and this is their strawberry flavor lip savior. It's with SPF 12, and this is how it looks. And along with the box, they have also sent these two stand and pee urinals. So if you're traveling, or if you have a back issue, or if you have knee issues, or if you're pregnant, then these things work really handy, and it's very useful for that time. And even when the toilets, when you're traveling especially, are dirty, then something like this where you can stand and pee is very comfortable and easy to just use and throw. Moving on, the next products are the whole leaf tea, and this is from Cambridge Tea Party, and the other one is and this one I think is the orange. This one is the whole leaf green tea and orange pyramid tea bags, and this one was the ginger flavored one. And I have also received a powder puff along with all these products, and the quality is also very, very good. It's really soft. I can feel it right now itself. It says Moshi Moshi, and I think this might be the manufacturing date. And yes, this is really, really soft. I might keep playing with this. And then the last product is this notebook which they have provided, again in the same print as the box and those card holders. So this is a book where you can write your notes, or you can even write the dates on which you have, you can actually keep a check of your monthly cycle state. So these are all the products which you can expect in your PINQ Buffet box. There are quite a few products which you would be getting in similar in the everyday box. That will be the panty liners, or you can select the sanitary napkins according to your size. And there will be few similar products maybe as a surprise product in your bulk me box. And now I will be just sharing with you all the details about the other boxes which are available. So those days box is priced at rupees 349 rupees, and here you will be getting a reusable box, 12 imported cotton sanitary field pads along with the disposable pouch and a surprise gift. You can select the heavy flow, light flow according to your preference. Then there is the everyday box in the same budget where you will be getting all the same products and 25 imported cotton field panty liners. You can select the box only once, or you can select refilling them, or 3 months, 6 months, 12 month subscription. Then there is the bulk me box at 899 rupees, and this one has 40 imported cotton field sanitary pads. You can select the size heavy flow or light flow, and the other products will be the same. The surprise gift may vary. Then there is the Buffet box which I just showed you in the video at 1499 rupees, and here is a list of products. I did not get the leather earphone holder, I got something else instead, and the surprise gift also might vary from box to box. So now coming to the review part for the PINQ subscription box, well, I do feel it's a very different kind of a box and unique right now in the market. It is also very good to know that it is helping the underprivileged women by giving them an opportunity to curate the box and support their families, and also giving an access to everyone to the imported cotton feel sanitary napkins. Now coming to the claims of the box of the cotton feel of the pads and the panty liners, well, it is very much true to its claim, because I did use these pads and panty liners, and they are very soft on the skin. They did not give me any kind of rashes, and the fit is also very good. I would be definitely recommending this PINQ subscription box because I really like the feel of the sanitary napkins and the panty liners. It's something which is not available in the market by any brands, so it should be really tried at least once. And on the 8th of March, that is the Women's Day, there is also an offer by PINQ Box where you can buy any of the PINQ box and you would be getting the same box as free. So it's a buy one and get one, and it's a win-win situation. So you can definitely check their website. I'll put the link in the details, all the details in the description tab below. So just grab this opportunity, and that's it for this video. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you all, and if you like this video and my efforts, please do give a big thumbs up. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.